everyone, this is Jessie with Practical Revolution, and today I'm going to show you part 2 of the zucchini series I'm doing. In today's video, you're going to see me using dry zucchini that I had already prepared, how to rehydrate that for baking, and I'm also going to bake a zucchini recipe in a sun oven. So I'm also going to show you how to bake without electricity, which is useful if you don't have access to an oven or you don't want to heat up your oven when it's hot in the summer, because then your whole house is hot, which isn't good. And one more thing, this isn't really a how-to on how to make zucchini bread. I feel like you guys already know how to, but I'm going to show you how you can utilize dry zucchini in your baked goods pretty easily, so you can adapt it to your own recipe. But if you don't have a zucchini bread recipe that you like, I'll share mine in the description. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It helps us out. And also, if you like the video, like and share with your friends. Okay, the zucchini bread's been in for about 3 hours. Probably the first hour was kind of cloudy, but I just wanted to get everything in before I'd burn myself, because this thing gets really hot. Right now it's at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which that's what I'd bake in a normal oven anyway, so I think this thing's pretty good for baking. I'm just going to stick a knife in it to make sure it's done. And there's no crumbs, so yeah, it's done. It really browned up. I'm just going to cut a slice real quick. once it's cool, it should be fine. I just wanted to check and see if it was done, and it is. So just to recap, on the part 2 of this video, I showed you guys how to rehydrate zucchini to use it in your baked goods, and how to bake zucchini bread in a solar oven. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.